Hello everyone, thank you for joining. This is Mandy Ross with Wynn's Foxy Nest, and I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and I welcome you to this little short video on how I like to use a paper trimmer. This is the Cutter Bee to actually cut up my Chalk Couture transfers. It's very simple, very easy, time saving. They're actually straight. So this one is actually a transfer from our November 2019 Chalk Couture club members. So it's exclusive a design. Only members can get it. So I'm just going to open it up and I'm going to take you down here and show you how this little paper cutter makes it easy for me. So you can see there's this line right here. That's where you want to line up where you actually want to cut, okay? So Chalk Couture has it very easy for us. They show us where we should be cutting our transfers. I like to use this. Not only does it save me time, but it makes sure that I have a straight line, okay? So it's not, when you're cutting, you kind of veer off to one side or whatever. So I'm just going to do it one more time, and then I think you'll get the idea of how to use the paper cutter to trim up your transfers. And there you go. So if you have questions, would like to join my VIP group, I share all kinds of tips and tricks and giveaways and how-tos and sample kits to get you started with Chalk Couture. You just want to learn more about what it's about. Come join me. I'd love to have you. Have a great day. Bye.